have always got something different coming in, and today we have a Model 70 Winchester stock that has this ugly diamond that was inlaid into the heel area of the buttstock, and weren't sure how to get it out, so I drilled a hole in it, put a punch in it, and it popped right out. It had a screw in it. It's a piece of brass with the initials on it, and I drilled it, popped it out. So now I got this big ugly hole, but we're going to hide that hole completely. I have ground out a little piece of wood here that kind of pretty closely matches the color and the grain and all. It's not going to be perfect, but the main part of this is going to be the paint out that hides all this. So we now have this little inlay all made up and ready to go in, like so. And then I'm going to fill it with acrylic glass. It only goes about one way here. I got to make sure I got it the right way. So I've mixed up a little acrylic glass. Goes in like so. I'm going to fill this hole. I need almost 2 hands here. I'm going to fill this hole with acrylic glass, like so. I hope I mixed up enough. I don't think I did. So I will, pretty kind of a deep little hole. I will shut my camera off, and I will go over and mix up just a little more acrylic glass and daub it in there. Then we will tap this little puppy in, and we'll be good to go. I mixed up a little more acrylic glass. I shorted myself. I put a little brown coloring in it, and I'm going to put a goodly amount in this hole. It doesn't have to be anything pretty. This will hide completely, and we will show you the magic that we can do by painting grain into wood to hide such ugly things. So our little inlay goes in, and we're going to tap it into place, kind of like so. And looks pretty good. Like I say, it's not a perfect fit. It doesn't have to be. The acrylic glass is going to fill in any little gaps I have, but it's going to make it so we can paint out this fill area. So let me grab a couple rubber bands and just put those around there to kind of hold it in place. It's got a little hydraulic pressure. It's trying to push it out. So we will do this. Well, it didn't work. Do this. I think I have a drawer of old rubber bands. When they get a little old, they don't work. Just kind of hold it down in position. And tomorrow, after this sets up, we will dress it down close to the stock, and then we'll look at it again before we finish it and paint it out. So there's the beginnings of our repair and our fill right there. So a few months back, we commenced to work on this Winchester stock. It had the, if you all remember, it had the gold inlaid diamond in it. We took that out, put a piece of wood in. I gave it to my wood guys, and they have finished this stock in a nice Winchester finish, and they have painted some grain into the wood to hide this diamond. And we'll get some still shots to show you a close-up of it. But that is gone, and that makes that stock worth, this gun worth a whole lot more money. I've just got the best wood finishers in the industry out there. They do a Winchester finish out of this world, and when they can hide something like that, you know they got to be good. So just wanted to show that to you as we're getting ready to finish this project and wrap it up.